Hello friends, so we are coming with one another most common type of our Java programming language that we are normally use these operators in our Java programming language. So what is mean by those operators that we are normally used? So operators are nothing but they are some symbols that we are used those symbols to perform some operations. For example, we have a plus sign that performs the addition. So according to that, we have classified those operators in some categories. So let's start with one by one. So first category is arithmetic operators. So what are the simple symbols that we are normally use in our simple calculators like plus, minus, addition, division, multiplication. Those are the symbols that perform the operations similarly like our simple calculators are comes under the arithmetic operators. So one so one additional is modulo that performs on any number for calculating the reminders. So next one is a unary operator. So unary operators are normally used for the increment and decrement purpose. So if we want to perform any increment or decrement operation on any number, then we can use these incremental operators. These increment operators, for that increment operators we use the 2 times plus sign for increment operators and 2 sign negative sign for decrement operators. So that value of that variable that can be changed, that can be increased by plus 1, so that can be decreased by minus 1. For example, if you write plus plus I, that means that I value is increased by 1. So first value is increased and then that value will be print. So according to that, it may be pre-increment or post increment. So next is the assignment operators. In assignment operators, suppose we write I is equal to 5, that means that right hand side values it will be assigned to that variable a. So in simply for assignment operator we use the equal to sign, that means the right hand side value will be assigned to the left hand side variable. So next we have a bitwise operator and shift operators. Those are working on the bits or on the basis of the binary numbers of any numbers. We will see that later. Just start with some simple one like AND operators and OR operators, that comes under the logical categories. That AND and OR operators are used for to calculate some statement, it may be true or false. Suppose we used the statement 1 and AND operator for statement 2. So that means if the both statements are true, then only their condition will be true, otherwise the condition will be false. Same that follows for the OR operators and vice versa. So next we have uh, relational operators. In relational operators we use greater than sign, negative sign, greater than or equal to, greater than or less than. Those are used for the relation between the left side variable and right side variable. So these operators are like the left hand side variable is equal to the right hand side by using the two equal to signs, or it may be that the left hand side variable is greater than the right hand side, and similarly all those follows. So next we have a shift operator. In shift operators we just this follows on the basis of the binary number. For example, if we have first we see the types of this shift operator. So it's only two types, that is a left shift operator or right shift operator. Suppose we have any number that will store in any variable. So suppose we have a variable that's value is 5. So we just need to convert that 5 in our binary number. For example, we have 4. So the binary number for that 4, it will be 0 0 1. So if we use the right shift variable, so for that 2 bits it will be shifted on the right side and that value will be decreased. For example, and same for the left shift variable, if we apply the left shift variable to that number 4, so that 2 bits will be shifted on the left side and that value will be increased. So so according to that we have we have a left shift operator and right shift operator. For left shift operator we use this 2 less than sign for the left side for the left shift operator and 2 greater than sign for right shift operators. So next one we have bitwise operators. In bitwise operators are also used to perform the bits manipulation of any number by using the bitwise operators. So we have a AND bitwise operator, OR bitwise operators, XOR bitwise operators, and complement bitwise operators. So these are the simple operators that we are used. Also we have one is a ternary operators.